Hello YouTube. I often get questions asked, and not by my subscribers, but why do I build so many trains? Why do I do what I do? Well, I'm going to tell you the story right now. On May the 8th of 2020, the building that our train room was in caught fire. The building was a total loss. The fire never actually got to the train room, which is on the back side of the building, but unfortunately the heat did, and the damage was done. If you could describe it as a war zone, that's what it looked like. This was my dad's first layout. My dad is 74, 73 at the time, retired, fixed income. Probably only had about 8 or 9, 10 trains, all very nice trains, built by a great guy named Christian Javier. Please check out his YouTube channel. He is a very utmost expert on loc sound, has helped us out tremendously, and he still builds some trains for me on occasion. So as you can see, the damage was devastating. Pretty much everything was a total loss. There was very few items that could be saved. I will continue telling the story in a few other follow-up videos, but thank you to all my subscribers for your support.